We are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's do letter B. First, let's get a tub and a lid. Now, let's put the letters on it. We will start with the top of the lid and put a uppercase B and a lowercase b. Now let's do the front of the tub. Nice. Now let's turn the lid over and do the bottom of the lid, finding the uppercase and lowercase b. There it is. The objects we are looking for today is on the lid, or under the lid, that we just did. First, we need a basketball. There it is, basketball. Next, we need a bell. There it is, a bell. Now we need a boat. There's the boat. Next, we need a bat. Ooh, the bat. Next, we need a banana. Wow, that's a little banana. And next, we need a bottle. This bottle is for a baby. Well, let's get, how about an uppercase B and a lowercase b? There it is, all together. Let's put it in the tub. First, let's put the uppercase B in the tub. Now the lowercase b. Now let's put the basketball in the tub. We need a bell in the tub. And now a boat. All right, Mr. Bat, time for you to go in the tub. And finally, our tiny little banana. Not finally, I got one more. A bottle. A bottle's for the baby. Let's put the lid on. Wow, we did the letter B, the letter after A. The next letter after B is the letter C. See you next time.